Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Home Life Love. My name is Rachel and today I'm going to do two things. I'm going to share with you the lipsticks that I picked for the week. I have not been doing a full-on shop my stash for my makeup, but I have been really focusing on my lip products that I have been wearing. And I am going to show you some mascara that was sent to me from Influencer, and it is from MAC. It is the MAC Magic Extension Mascara. This is the packaging for it. And I love MAC formula for their mascara, and so I was really excited about this. But this is definitely something new that they have going on. They are magic extensions, so there are little lashes that are kind of in here, or fibers is what they call them. They're inside of here, and it says 90% of the people that they tried this on said that their lashes achieved over-the-top exaggerated volume, and I definitely feel that this is just a very intense black mascara. It is very, very black. And 94% said that their lashes look longer, fuller, and lifted. And I definitely agree with that. I really enjoy the way this makes my lashes look. I do like to wear falsies now that I can wear the magnetic lashes like I'm wearing them today, but on the regular I like to just pile on my mascara. But with this mascara I only need 2 coats in order for me to have that maybe 3-4 coats like with other lash mascaras that I have. So this is really good. And today I forgot about this, and so I popped on my lashes, but I will definitely include a clip of me applying this product and just show you how it turned out. Awesome. So now I will show you my lip colors that I chose for this week. I have a few combos, and I am only going to be choosing one lip liner for this week simply because it is so hot outside. I'm spending a lot of time at the pool, so I am just choosing one just in case I need something just to push it over the edge. And so that made it so that I actually chose colors that I can use without a lip liner, or I can kind of finagle the gloss and lipstick, the pout color, to make it look as if I'm wearing a lip liner. And I have very pigmented lips, so that's something that works out for me. So I am just going to dump, I'll start with this exciting one. I saw the release of Nema Tang's lip kits. I was not able to get that, the nude color, the nude set that she put out. That one sold out so quickly. But then she had a second one that had like orange colors, and it reminded me of this one that I have from Smashbox, and these are the Gloss Angels lip glosses, and this one is in the color Michaelada, and it is sparkly and orange and absolutely gorgeous. Very neutral nude. See how pretty that is. And I'm going to pair it with this product right here. This is the Bobbi Brown Luxe Liquid Lip High Shine color, and this is an All Natural 1. And this on its own is like a total no-go for me because it is so very rich and opaque, but it doesn't sheer out enough for it to look right on me. I'll just put it right here. It just doesn't look good on my lips because the color is just so opaque. So what I do is pair it with this. So here is the orange sparkle, and I think this is definitely something that can stand alone and be like, you know, just something quick to put on, but then it still looks like really together. But on top of this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Bobbi Brown lip color. You see how opaque that is? So this is my first combo that I will be wearing for the week, and I really like this because I think the colors blend so nicely together. And whereas, like I said, this Bobbi Brown color is definitely too opaque and bright for my skin without a lip liner. Even with a lip liner, in my opinion, it just did a little bit too much. But when I did this with the lip gloss, it shears it out on the edges, and so it just makes it so that it blends in really nicely. But I do think that it would look nice with a little bit of lip color. Maybe I'll just pop on just a touch of color. I'll just put on a little bit of Brownie with it just to see what it does. Oh, that looks nice. I haven't tried that before. It definitely changes the look, but I do like it. So that's another option. So that's 3 options with that. Next on my list is I have another Gloss Angel from Smashbox, and this is called Beachy King. And I am going to pair it with a Wet n Wild color that I have. This is called Never Nude, and this one right here is a MegaLast Matte. So this is what this color looks like. Very pretty. And then the Beachy King looks like that. It's right here. And again, this is a color that I can definitely wear on its own. And as you can see, this is really, really beautiful. Very, very natural, soft nude. And so this, of course, I could wear on its own. But now I'm going to amp it up a little bit with Never Nude. I really like this one. I like to pair a matte lip color or bullet lipstick with a gloss when I use it as the perimeter or the liner for my lips, because the two of them together just create something special. So that will be combination number 2. And just because I want to see how this will look if I were to add a lip liner, I'm going to take Brownie and I am going to add this around the perimeter. Okay, so that's good with the, so here it is with the lip liner lightly placed around the edges. And of course, if you want to amp it up, you can just put on a little bit more. Now, my last lip combo is just going to be a bullet lipstick and my lip liner, Brownie from Juvia's Place. And this is going to be, this is a Revlon color and it is called Nude Illuminator. And this is a lipstick, but it kind of takes on the formation of a lip gloss. It is extremely shiny and very liquidy like a lip gloss, but then it's not a lip gloss. So I am going to do these two. Let's see how this works out. I'm just going to apply my lip liner. Okay, and so now I will try this. These are extremely soft, so I like to bring it all the way down because they're so soft. It will like get messy all over the place. Okay, so that is that combo. And this is a nice one too. This is nice and neutral. I think all of these colors can be worn with just about any eye look. I try to, and I mentioned this before, I try to do more of a heavy eye when I do these trials as far as whether or not things will work, because I know that if it works with a really heavy eye, it's not going to be too busy for what I will be doing during the week. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give me a big thumbs up. And if you'd like to subscribe and see more, feel free to subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button. And I will see you again in another video coming very soon. Bye, guys.